Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. NaturalRoxxy here. I miss you all. I am on a roll today. I am putting up some videos and I am trying to get them out, trying to be a little bit more consistent for you guys. Yes, that is what I am doing. So if my hair looks the same like it did in the previous video, please forgive me. I'm just on the roll. So as you can see in the title down below, I am going to be talking about the Mented eyeshadow everyday eyeshadow palette. Guys, I'm not sponsored by this video. No one is telling me about this palette, and so far guys, I'm really loving this palette because I used it already and I was like, you know what, let me do a video about this palette because I'm sure there's some of my people on here who watching me who have no clue what this palette is, and some people who do know about this palette and they don't know whether or not it's really good. So I did get this palette off of Instagram. I saw some things on Instagram and I was like, oh, that palette looks good. And so I ordered it and I wanted to try it out for myself because I travel a lot. And when I do travel, I really need a palette that's going to be like an everyday palette for me that I can have that will do everything for my eyes and my face. So stop rambling, Roxy, get into the video. This is the package that it came in. Mented. It's an everyday palette. It does come with a thank you card. A thank you card with a beautiful melanin girl on the back, and it says, we started Mented because we believe every woman should be able to find herself in the world of beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey, which this is what it says on the back of the card. And I believe that these girls are Black owned that own this palette, which is really nice. It does come with a card that has the name of each color that's on the palette, but the palette of itself does not have the colors inside. I mean the names on the colors inside, which is very common for most palettes. This is the palette. It says Mented. The front is like a suede sleeky type of material, and then the back of it is a pretty plastic. It's pretty plastic. Doesn't feel cheap at all, but really good. It does come with a big mirror, which I'm not going to blind you guys. So that's really nice. And this is the colors, guys. Like, look at that. They're huge palettes that can be for contouring. It can be for eyeshadows. Like, I feel like this palette could do everything you want to be done to your face. And this is why I was intrigued by it when I saw the picture of the palette. It was just really up my alley, really warm. There are about 5 mattes in this palette, 6 mattes in this palette, and then there's 3 semi shimmer in the palette, and which is really nice. I like that. I'm more of a matte girl. I do like a lot of matte stuff, and so yeah, I just love it. So I already have on foundation. I already prepped my eyes, the powder, everything that I use. I will definitely leave everything in the description box with my foundation and everything. First, I'm going to go in with my Morphe E27 brush. And I love Morphe, guys. If you don't watch my channel, you should know that I love Morphe. And the first transition color I'm going to be using is Tandemonium. And this is Tandemonium right here. It's like a brownie orangey color. It's like more orangey, but you guys may not be able to see exactly what it looks like because it's looking kind of yellowish on my end. I'm gonna have to fix my setting to see about that, but yeah, it's a more orangey color, and so I'm just going to use that as a transition color, and I'm going to go up above my eyelids and just blend that out. And I usually like to go a little lighter and then darker as I go in. And as you can see, it is a little dusty. You have to dust it off, guys. Sometimes I do forget and I just go in. But yeah. Palette, there's just a little bit of fallout. And most of the palettes that I like, they do have fallouts. So the next brush that I'm going to go into is my Morphe E17 brush. And I'm going to be going in with Upside Down. And so upside down is this color right here. It's like a brown color, like a more of a light caramel brown. And I'm just going to take that in the inner part of my eyes. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm trying to go with here. Maybe more of a neutral look, because this is supposed to be for every day. And so I want this look to look like I can actually wear this every day. But this palette, you can also glam it up too, guys. Like, it's really, really nice. And then I'm going to go back with my E27 brush and just blend everything out. And I want to go back in with that upside down just a little bit. I just feel like I need to darken it up just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go in with brown out, which is this more dark chocolatey color, and I'm going to go in with the E17 brush again, and I'm just going to take that on the outer to inner corner of my eye, just to give it just a little bit more dimension on my eyes. And I'm going to take that powder, sweeping it up. I want to go with this color, and this one is called Second Date. I really, really like that color. So I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of the eye. Go back in with brown out, and I'm going to go in the outer corner of my eyes just to bring back a little bit. I feel like I lost some of that brown color, and blend the colors together. Then for a little bit of highlight underneath my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with First Date, which is just goldy shimmery color here. And I'm just going to use a little dome brush. And I'm going to take that same color, First Date, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my tear ducts. Okay, so now I am back looking a little bit more presentable. So yes, I also did get the Mented lipstick, and this one is the Bare Brown Matte, and this is in the shade Bare Brown Matte. So yeah. And this is the packaging. It's a very matte, sleeky packaging, if you can see. It has Mented on the package as well. Really, really like it. This is the color. Very, very pretty. So I'm just going to line my lips with a brown pencil. This is supposed to be like a matte to soft matte lip stick, and it really feels nice on the lips. Just applying it, it doesn't feel tacky at all. Really, really pretty. I love the formulation of it. Really, really pretty, and the color really nice. I like this. Yeah. Yep, really, really like this. Okay, so let's talk about this, guys. When I say beautiful packaging, beautiful colors in here, and definitely an everyday palette, I would highly recommend this palette. The cons that I had was that it had a lot of fallout, which what palette really doesn't have fallout? but overall it was very blendable. As you can see, as I placed it on my eyes, it was very pigmentation going on, and I'm just in love with this palette. Like, you could do anything with this palette. You can glam it up, you can make it every day, and like me, I really don't go anywhere much, so a look like this would be like a weekend look for me, or hubby date night look. And I'm gonna play with this palette to do some more looks with this palette, just to see how, you know, it will work. And I'm also going to use this for all over face palette, because I did use First Date to highlight my nose and my Cupid's bow. So I really want to see how I can use this as like one palette, just an overall palette. I really want to see how that's going to work. But Mented, I love your palette. I'm not sponsored by you guys, but I'm giving you my honest opinion about this palette. I love it. For the lipstick, on their website, they do have like lip glosses. They have another lipstick, which I believe is like a, I think it's another formulation of this lipstick. And so I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys if you want to go ahead and look at their website to see if you may want to purchase anything. It's very reasonable. The pricing is not bad at all. I do believe that the palette was about $24. And also I'm gonna leave a link that you can probably get something off on it. When you sign up, you can get something off. But otherwise from that, getting something off has nothing to do with me, an affiliate link or anything like that, but you do get something off. So I would recommend you guys go and check it out, purchase it. Let me know if you guys did purchase it, and if you liked it, let me know what you thought about this makeup eye look. I thought it came out really well. I'm in love with this look. I'm in love with the lipstick, the formulation. Just sitting here talking to you guys, you know how you get something that's really matte drying? It's not that type of formulation. It's very comfortable wearing. I'm loving it. I love the colors, and I'm about to go back on their website and order me some more stuff. Yes, because I want to try out their lip gloss, and I want to try out the other formulation of their lipstick. Because this, if this feels like this, then definitely I want to try some more colors out and try out more of their lipstick. So with that being said, guys, I'm rambling about this thing, but I do love it. I love it. It's really nice. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for always watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like this content, please do thumbs up. And if you like the video, please do thumbs up so I can do more for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. God bless, guys.